artists. Today we're going to be working with asymmetrical balance. There's three different types of balance: symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. So today we're going to be creating this abstract piece of art using colored paper. So you're going to need two pieces of colored paper, a scissors, and a glue stick, and a pencil. So the first thing that you're going to be doing on your small piece of paper is you're going to be drawing 4 organic shapes. Okay, so I would do it in pencil. I'm going to do it in marker so you guys can see it. Remember from before, organic is a free-flowing shape. You don't want to have too many ins and outs because we are going to be cutting these out. Next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut around your organic shapes. And you'll need to save all of your pieces. If you don't have 2 pieces of colored paper in your house, you can always use a lined paper and a solid blank white piece of paper. Or you could always color your paper before you cut it out with markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the type of balance we're doing today is similar to symmetrical. It looks balanced, the same on both sides, but you'll notice slight differences. It's still pretty easy on the eye as you look at your abstract design today. Next, you're going to be gluing this shape down to your colored paper. So I'm going to take my glue stick and run it along the edge. I'm going to move this out of the way. Because I don't want to get glue all over my big paper. Putting a generous amount on. Then I want to try my best to center it and smooth it out. Now this is going to be like a puzzle. We want to find where our pieces were that we cut out. So fitting them back in like a puzzle. Okay, and then we're going to do something that's called a mirror image, or flipping that item. So I'm going to flip this and line it up with what's called the line of symmetry. That is why I said it's partly symmetrical, partly asymmetrical. So I'm flipping these over to create the line of symmetry, and I'm also creating what's called the positive shape. And then the space that was left behind is called the negative shape. Once you have those lined up, then you're going to add a generous amount of glue by rubbing your item, your shape, across the top of your glue stick. You never want to put glue on here because it just makes your artwork look sloppy. So we're looking for neatness. So I'm going to add a generous amount. Line those up. And then the last thing we want to do is we're going to add patterns to our shapes. So in my negative space here, or my negative shape, I'm going to create these lines that almost look like they're maps of land formations. So I'm just creating these designs inside. And then on the outside, I'm going to do more lines as I go around. And you're going to get some really fun, intricate patterns for your artwork. Have fun, artists!